Hi, welcome to another Cara & Co tutorial. Today we're showing you how to make this detailed and gorgeous open heart keychain. All supplies and written instructions can be found on our website, as well as a detailed pattern to help you along. Let's get crafting. To make your own open heart keychain, you will need 60-inch cut 0.8mm nylon cording, 20 faceted glass beads, 57 4mm gold beads, a J-hook clip, beading needle, scissors, and a lighter. All right, let's get into it. Take your cording and lightly fuse both ends. Thread on one of your glass beads, placing in the middle of your cord length. Following the pattern found on our website tutorial, begin adding in your glass beads and gold beads in the order indicated. Pay attention to the number of beads to add when you turn the corner of your heart shape. When you get to the loop on top of the heart, remember to thread on your J-hook clip before you close the top beaded loop. Once you've threaded on all of your beads according to the pattern, tie a tight double knot where your strings join together. Trim the ends and lightly fuse them into the knot. We love this little bit of sparkle our glass beads add to this keychain. Clip it to your wallet, handbag, key ring, and so much more. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this one. The possibilities are endless. Happy crafting!